Hi guys, this is Pri with Free Tours by Foot Dubai, and today I'm going to be giving you a guided tour of the most happening central neighborhood of Dubai, Business Bay, which is right next to downtown Dubai and lined by the beautiful Burj Khalifa in the backdrop, the Dubai Opera and the Dubai Mall. This neighborhood actually is the preferred destination for most tourists to stay in. Stay tuned to find out why. Business Bay is a preferred destination because it's right in the middle of the city. It's got the Sheikh Zayed Road on one side, it's got the Business Bay metro station on one side, and then the beautiful Dubai Canal on the other side. So it is really a scenic location in addition to being the most convenient if you want to bounce around to different neighborhoods of the city. Business Bay has got tons of 5-star and 4-star hotels for you to choose from. It's got a bunch of Airbnbs to choose from. It's got Unlock Homes, which has a wide selection of apartment rentals and service apartments to choose from. It's lined up with cafes and bars and coffee shops, so there's a lot to do in this neighborhood. The biggest strength of this neighborhood is that you can walk from Business Bay to most downtown locations, Dubai Mall, Burj Khalifa, Dubai Opera, and also all the attractions near the Dubai Fountain. So that's why Business Bay is so preferred for all the guests. I am standing right across from one of the most famous attractions in Business Bay, which is the Opus building, the last building completed by Zaha Hadid and the only project in the world in which Zaha Hadid was not only involved in designing the exterior of the building, but also the interior of the building. The Opus is a multi-use building. One side of it on the right is the Mi Hotel, and one side of it to the left is apartments and offices. Zaha Hadid, as I try to teach my kids, was a famous Iraqi-British architect and really a trailblazing woman of her time for what she contributed in terms of architecture and design to the world. This building, the Opus, very typical Zaha Hadid style, is a building full of curves, very unique shapes. You can see it has a giant hollow in the middle, and one of the ideas behind this style, this architecture, was to see how ice would rest and melt away in different places, kind of making a comment between the different forms of solid, liquid, and gas as they come together to create a piece of architecture. Inside also, the architecture of the building itself features a lot of curvaceous facades. This building, the Opus, right here on the ground floor level, has some of the finest restaurants, bars and cafes of the city. We've got Roca, the Japanese restaurant. We've got Basco, one of my favorite Spanish bars, and then we've also got the Main, which is an American fine dining restaurant. The Bay Avenue Mall, right behind me in Business Bay, has a fine selection of restaurants that you can easily walk to or take a taxi to or the metro to, especially Indian restaurants. Often guests ask me on my tour, where can they get, really inexpensive Indian food that's just hits right home. And many times I tell them just go to Bay Avenue and you've got Kamath, you've got Gazebo, you've got Moti Mahal, you've got Bikaner Wala, and you've got Raju Omelette. So a lot of really inexpensive, great Indian eateries, in addition to cuisine from Thailand, Iran, and a bunch of other Lebanese restaurants here. So another advantage to being in Business Bay is the Bay Avenue Mall. What's also great about Business Bay is that it has lots of parks for children. So if you were traveling as a family with young kids, you've got parks like these in executive towers, which are open to the public. And parks like these also are situated very easy near parking lots, so you can park and come into the park. The Business Bay neighborhood also has a farmer's market in the winter months. So on the weekends in the morning, you can go by the Bay Avenue Farmer's Market. If your children like to skateboard, it also has 3 or 4 different skateboarding parks all connected to one another right in the middle of the neighborhood. So a great destination for families. I'm standing right outside the Eloquent Elephant. This is a great neighborhood pub for a lot of people in Dubai because of its central location. A lot of people come here to blow off steam after working hours. It's a really fun place. It has quiz nights and lots of deals and specials. Right above the Eloquent Elephant is the Tree House, again a very popular destination, nightclub, bar, great music, great ladies' nights deals on Tuesday evenings. The Tree House is also right here. It's all part of the Taj Hotel in Business Bay. And then if you see one level in the middle between Tree House and the Eloquent Elephant, those tall glass windows, that is the Billionaire's Mansion, one of the most exclusive night out places in Dubai, which also has live music, live performances, acrobats, gymnasts and musicians. So the Billionaire's Mansion is for those who are looking to have an exclusive, very Dubai, no price is a problem type of a night out in Dubai. If you follow me along this way, very close to the Taj Hotel, if you just take that little road behind me, in about 6 or 7 minutes, you will arrive at the Dubai Opera building, and I'm going to take you there next to show you up close the biggest cultural center of our city, sitting right at the cusp of downtown Dubai and Business Bay. So come along. We've walked over from Business Bay into downtown. I know, that was very quick, only 5 or 6 minutes by foot. And we are outside the magnificent Dubai Opera building, which is architectural delight. It's shaped like a dhow. It was designed by the Danish architect Janus Rostock. And the building has beautiful fountains that go off whenever there is a show. So I'm very happy to wind up our Business Bay walking tour right outside the Opera building. If you are curious to know more about the Dubai Opera and other attractions of downtown Dubai, please watch our video on our channel on the Downtown Dubai Architecture Tour, where I walk you through Dubai Opera, Dubai Fountain, the Three Finger Salute, the Walk of Stars, and other downtown attractions. If you like what we are doing, please subscribe to our channel, like our channel, comment below and let us know what you'd like to see more of.